Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve question 3 in exercise 5.3. We are looking at the 8th subdivision in this question, which is given as an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2 and sn is equal to minus 14. Find the value of n and a. So I'm noting down the data that is given to us. An is equal to 4 and Sn is equal to minus 14. They've given the value of D to be 2. You are expected to find what is the value of n and what is the value of a. So let us write the an in terms of formulas. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, which is equal to, in this case they have given the value of an as 4, so I'm equating it as 4. So let's substitute whatever data we know. We don't know the value of n, but we know the value of d. So I'm going to express d in this particular expression and simplify it. So a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4. So expand it, a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4, or a plus 2n is equal to 6. So this is the first equation that we have got. Now they have given the value of Sn. Here too I'm going to substitute whatever values that I know. So what is the formula for Sn? Sn is n by 2. 2 times a plus n minus 1d. So this value is given as minus 14. I'm going to take this to the other side. So it is n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d's value is 2, which is equal to minus 28. I have carried the 2 the other side, so I've multiplied and left it there. Now let's simplify this. N into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. So I'm going to write this as 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. Now, here is the change that I'm going to do. I'm going to write this as n into 2a. I'm going to split this as a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. So n into a plus minus 2, I have placed it there. So a plus 2n, I know the value from this particular expression is 6. So a plus 6 minus 2 is minus 28. So a plus 4 into n is equal to minus 28. So now let's write n and a in terms of each other, because I need to substitute and find the value of it. From this particular expression, I can write n is equal to 6 minus a by 2. Okay. From this particular expression, I can write n is equal to minus 28 divided by a plus 4. Since both are values of n, I can equate these two expressions to solve for a. So let's see how that is getting done. On one hand, we had the value of n as 6 minus a by 2. On the other side, this is minus 28 divided by a plus 4. So let's do a cross multiplication. 6 minus a into a plus 4 is equal to minus 56. Let's perform term-wise multiplication here. So 6a minus a squared plus 24 minus 4a is minus 56. So I can rearrange all of this. So minus a squared plus 2a plus 24 is minus 56. So if I can simplify this, this will become a squared minus 2a minus 24 is equal to 56. So a squared minus 2a is equal to, I'm taking the 28 the other side, making it plus, so I get 56 plus 24 as 80. Now let's write it in the quadratic form so that we can solve this particular quadratic equation. So it is a squared minus 2a minus 80 is equal to 0. So you need to split minus 80 such that you get minus 2. So 10 into 8 will work. Let's see, I'm going to put the minus sign for the 10 and the plus sign for the a. So a squared minus 10a plus 8a minus 80 is equal to 0. So a into a minus 10 plus 8 into a minus 10 is equal to 0, or a plus 8 into a minus 10 is equal to 0. So a could be either minus 8 or it could be plus 10. So depending upon the value of a's, then I need to generate the value of n. Remember, a has two possible values, so I need to generate two possible values for n. So let's put case 1. Case 1, I'm going to take a is equal to minus 8. So in that case, n is going to be equal to minus 28 divided by a plus 4. So n is equal to minus 28 divided by minus 8 and plus 4. So n is minus 28 by minus 4, which is equal to 7. So in case 1, when a was minus 8, I got the value of n as 7. Now let's do a case 2 wherein I'm going to substitute the value of a to be 10. So case 2, a is going to be equal to 10. Let's substitute in the expression. N is going to be equal to minus 28 divided by a plus 4. So n is minus 28 divided by 10 plus 4. So n is minus 28 by 14, which is minus 2. You need to understand the negative value of n. N is minus 2. N actually indicates the number of terms in an AP. Therefore, n cannot be negative. Since n cannot be negative, I'm going to discard the value of 10 for a and say a is equal to minus 8 and n is equal to 7. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 9th subdivision in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.